Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add calendar to iPhone's lock screen. So as you can see in my video, there is no lock screen in my calendar. So how you can add it? So in order to do that, you need to swipe here from the top corner, swipe like this, and this will pop up. And now hold and tab and hold in any part of the screen. And then you need to choose the customize button. And again, you need to tap this lock screen here, and now as you can see there are customization option. You need to tap this line, this box, and after that it says you can add any widgets. So now you need to just select your calendar from here, and there will be two options, either this circle or this rectangular one. You can choose both of them, or you can just keep one of them. So yeah, after that you just need to cross it. You just press the done button, and yeah, there you go. Your lock screen has a calendar now, as you can see. And if you have any events, it will show the events on your lock screen itself. So yeah, that's how you put calendar on your lock screen.